Julius Malema says government to blame for the violence at Lonmin's Marikana mine, and rhinos could be extinct within the next 25 years if they are not protected. I'm Richard Brooks. Expelled ANC Youth League leader Julius Malema says government to blame for the violence at Lonmin's Marikana mine. Malema says this is because some leaders are reaping the fruits of mining companies' profits. Malema was addressing a memorial service in Marikana. He has urged workers not to back down on their demands for higher wages and better living conditions.
Our people were killed. The only thing Comrade Cyril can say, Dewani will give you 2 million. He is very arrogant. Uri, I will kill you and bury you. That is what he's saying. That is the message we are getting from him. There is in our government.
President Jacob Zuma has appointed retired High Court Judge Ian Farnham to head up the Judicial Commission of Inquiry into the killing of 44 people in clashes at Lonmin's platinum mine in Marikana last week. Zuma says the commission will complete its work within 4 months and submit a final report to him.
The commission will probe the conduct of the South African Police Service and will look at the following: the nature, extent, and application of any standing orders, policy considerations, legislation, or other instructions in dealing with the situation which gave rise to this incident, the facts and circumstances which gave rise to the use of force, and whether this was reasonable and justifiable.
Proceedings in the Dewani murder trial has been postponed until Monday in the Western Cape High Court. The defence has concluded its cross-examination of the state's fourth witness, a woman who cannot be named for fear of intimidation. She earlier testified that she saw murder-accused Onina Mngeni in a car with convicted cab driver Zono Tongo on the day Dewani was killed. Mngeni allegedly fired the shot that killed the tourist. Rhinos could be extinct within the next 25 years if they are not protected. Environmental Affairs spokesperson Mavuso Msimang says if the rate at which the animals are being slaughtered continues, there will be no rhino by 2037. He says South Africa has a responsibility to conserve and protect rhino because it has the biggest rhino population in the world. The rhino is also one of the big five. Msimang says government is serious in seeking solutions. This year, 339 rhino have been killed in South Africa.